We're at the Royal Akarana Yacht Club here to install a LittaTrap to stop the pollution from getting into the waterways. Well, about 25 years ago, along with some other friends, we were keen divers and surfers, and we learned about the problem of the pollutants going into the waterways. And so we thought, hey, we've got to stop that. So we thought, why don't we put something into the pits? And the LittaTrap was really the latest version that's designed to catch the bits of plastic that are ending up all the way through the waterways. So concentrating on the bigger bits, the litter, the cigarette butts, the bottle tops and all the other big bits of plastic. So yeah, we figured we've got to get them out, and this is the easiest way. The connection with Royal Akarana Yacht Club is that the sailors are very passionate about the environment. They're out there on the water all the time, and they see the pollution, they see the plastics floating in the waterways. So they were very interested to put in a New Zealand product to stop anything that comes off their site from getting into the waterways, and be a role model, I guess, for other yacht clubs and other people that want to stop pollutants. It's like a big sieve, so it just catches all the bits of plastic as they go through the grate. They normally go to the water. It's got handles, catches them, you pull it out, tip it into the rubbish bin and put it back in. So it's pretty simple technology, but then it also has to be engineered very carefully.
Sailors, the environment in the water is really important for us. That's our playground, and we're out in the water almost every day, so of course we care about the ocean. And I do see a lot of pollution in the waterway. Actually, here in New Zealand it's quite alright. We haven't seen a lot of garbage in the water. But other places I've been sailing, there's lots of plastic in the water, which is really sad to see. And we try picking up as much as we can, and we try to do beach cleans. But yeah, it's just sad to see how much is out there.
Everywhere we see pollution, and I think it's even hard to sail some days. You always collide into rubbish. I think the idea of the LittaTrap is really nice. It feels really simple. It feels really easy to get the rubbish out and get it clean.
Once it's been installed, the main framework stays in the pit, and the basket is lightweight and it can just be easily lifted up, tipped out by hand and placed back inside the pit. So it's essentially a rubbish bin under the ground that gets picked up and tipped out.
It's a really good idea. I think a lot of the plastic, especially what we use, is plastic tape that easily goes in the ground, and with the water that we wash our boats all the time, it goes in the drains. I think that all the plastic and everything that's not supposed to go in the water will get stuck in there, and we can pick it up later and throw it in the trash. So it's a great way to stop plastic from going straight out in the ocean.